So this is just going to be a comparison between my Vincent Bach 1.5C trumpet mouthpiece and my two 3D printed mouthpieces, which I made with ABS and PLA. So first off, as you saw, I'm going to just play a few notes with the Vincent Bach. That was the Vincent Bach mouthpiece. Now we're going to try the 3D printed PLA mouthpiece. I don't have a high-class printer, so it's not perfectly smooth or anything like that, but it turned out all right. And finally, we're going to try out the ABS 3D printed mouthpiece. Now, an issue I found when I made the PLA mouthpiece was that the lines from 3D printing on the rim kind of hurt my lips. So I used some acetone on this to try and smooth over the rim. And like I said, I don't have a perfect printer, but it definitely feels a lot better, even if it doesn't look much better. Thank you. Now I know I messed up a few times in the video, but as you could see, I've decided that I prefer ABS as a mouthpiece material. So here I am, I'm printing a CKB7E trumpet mouthpiece. You can see I'm almost 15% of the way through, 14%, but yeah. And here's my spool of filament and my very dirty workstation. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment in the video or on the Reddit post. Thank you.